Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. Meet Joseph Mengele, a name synonymous with horror and cruelty, known as the Angel of Death. Mengele was a Nazi doctor who conducted barbaric experiments on prisoners at Auschwitz concentration camp during World War II. But his story doesn't end there. Join us as we delve into the life and legacy of this infamous figure, exploring the depths of his atrocities and the lingering impacts of his action on history. He was born on March 16, 1911 in Germany. He studied medicine and anthropology and joined the Nazi Party in 1937. During World War II, he served as a medical officer at Auschwitz concentration camp, where he conducted cruel experiments on prisoners, especially twins and individuals with physical abnormalities. After the war, he fled to South America, living in Argentina and later in Paraguay and Brazil. Despite efforts to capture him, he evaded justice and died in Brazil in 1979. Joseph Mengele conducted a range of cruel and inhuman experiments on prisoners at Auschwitz concentration camp. Some of his experiments focused on twins, attempting to understand genetic factors by subjecting them to various test surgeries and injections without anesthesia. He also conducted experiments on individuals with physical abnormalities, attempting to find ways to artificially induce them or to change their appearance. His experiments were characterized by their brutality and disregard for the well-being of these subjects. He escaped from Germany after World War II to evade capture by Allied authorities seeking war criminals. He fled to avoid facing justice for his involvement in the atrocities committed at Auschwitz concentration camp, where he conducted inhuman experiments on prisoners. He managed to evade capture for years by living under various aliases in South America. He died very unfortunately as he was drowned in Brazil in 1979. His body was found and identified through forensic examination. He was buried under a false name in Embu das Artes, Brazil. However, in 1985, forensic experts exhumed the body and confirmed through DNA testing that it was indeed Mengele. His remains were then cremated and the ashes were scattered at sea to prevent his grave from becoming a site of pilgrimage for neo-Nazis. Now we will go through some unknown facts about him. He was a skilled linguist, proficient in several languages including German, English, French and Spanish. He was known to be charming and charismatic, able to manipulate people to gain their trust and cooperation. He had a fascination with astrology and would often consult horoscopes to make decisions. He enjoyed outdoor activities such as skiing and hiking, and he was an avid amateur photographer. Despite his involvement in the Holocaust, Mengele's family remained largely unaware of his crimes until after his death. His experiments include attempts to change the eye color of prisoners by injecting dye into their eyes, among other gruesome procedures. He had a reputation for being meticulous and detail-oriented after keeping extensive records of his experiments and findings. Mengele was never brought to justice for his crimes during his lifetime, despite efforts by Nazi hunters and international authorities to locate and apprehend him. After fleeing Europe, Mengele lived in relative obscurity in South America, working as a farmhand and later as a salesman. His experiments on twins were part of his obsession with unlocking the secrets of heredity and creating a master race based on Nazi ideology. I hope you have liked the video. So kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in next video with next topic. Until then, goodbye and take care.